Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Sparklight bill pay account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search Sparklight bill pay login. Once you hit search, you'll find secure login Sparklight on the top of your search list. Just click here. Now, as you are already redirected to the login portal, you just simply have to enter your username and your password. In case you forget your username, you can click here, and if you forget your password, you can click here. If not, then just sign in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedback would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.